Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Pro. Today we will unbox the new OnePlus 7T with the all new triple rear camera and its all new features. Let's see its pricing, so let's start. This is the new OnePlus 7T box. I have opted for RAM 8GB and ROM 128GB. The new Glacier Blue, that's great. The pricing of this phone is about 38,000. So listen here. Yeah, this is 38,000. So let's see our OnePlus 7T. The new OnePlus 7T has the 855 Snapdragon. That's very fast and also very good for playing games like Call of Duty, PUBG. Let's unbox. It also has the new Dolby Atmos speakers. New OnePlus 7T branding. Let's see the phone. Written never settle. Let's see the phone. This is the new phone. You can see the new Glacier Blue color. I love this color. Very shiny and in gradient feeling. The phone is also very soft. This is the new chrome finish on the new SIM tray. New USB type C port and many other things. On the side we have the new button for silent and normal and many other things. So now first see the box contents. This is the new 30-watt fast charger. That's very fast and it charges the phone 0 to 80% in just half an hour. This is the new protective case for protecting our phones. It's also very hard case given by OnePlus. OnePlus also gives a screen guard that is applied on the phone. This is the new screen guard, you can see. So this is the new USB type C cable. That's also very thick cable. Unlike Apple, it's not very thin. Now let's see our new OnePlus 7T. Let's switch on the phone. So this is the OnePlus branding powered by Android. It has the new Android 10. It's time to switch on. Some animation. So now our phone has been unlocked. So let's see. This phone has fingerprint sensor and a face unlock too. Let's set up now. Face unlock first. Let's see the speed of the face unlock. Fingerprint first. We will set the fingerprint. This is the on-screen fingerprint. You can see. You will see the speed of this after setting up. That's good security by OnePlus. So done. Let's see the speed. That's very fast. It's good. It's fast. It gives a very good feeling when we touch it. It's a good feeling. I love this. Let's see the new face unlock. Face unlock. Face data. That's same like Apple. See the new face unlock speed. I have now set the face unlock. That's very fast. I loved. That's very fast. Oh, it's very fast. So now let's see. This phone has the new 90 hertz refresh rate. That's very ultra smooth. You can see. We can play new Call of Duty games. That's also good. Let's see now the new camera. Triple lens camera, ultra wide. So this is the new camera. It has a new portrait mode. It gives a very good feeling. This is the new ultra wide. in the photo. We have the new ultra wide. You can see the ultra wide. This is the normal ultra wide. This is the new telephoto lens also we have. This is the new nightscape. That is a very good night mode. These are the photos that I have clicked on the new OnePlus 7T. You can see the very great photos. You can see the new night mode that has been given by OnePlus. This is the new shot on OnePlus. That's very great. This photo is also very good. That's good. So let's see its selfie camera. This phone has the new 48 MP cameras, 3 cameras. This is the new selfie camera. You can see it's good. This is the new OnePlus 7T. This has the new notch, 90 hertz refresh rate. That's great. 3800 mAh battery, which lasts for 1 day at least. If you are a heavy user, it can last for 10 hours. That's good. Let's see the new speakers. We will test the new speakers. Dolby Atmos. We will do testing. I will show you. Let's full the news. This is the new speakers. It gives a cinematic feeling like.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced.
It's very good speakers. It's like a cinema, like we are in cinemas, theater
feeling. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio.
I love this. This has the new gesture also. That's the new gesture, like Apple. You can see. Let's see which software it has. Settings. This is the new OnePlus 7T. It had the Android version 10. It's running on Oxygen OS 10.0.6. It's very great. It has many new wallpapers. The new display, 90 Hz refresh rate, gives it a very premium feeling. So this is the new OnePlus 7T. You can buy it from Amazon about 34,000. I love the phone. The new camera, triple rear camera, it's also very good. The ultra wide lens is also good. The new Glacier Blue is good. You can also buy silver color. This is the OnePlus 7T. If you are a heavy user, you can also go for 256GB and 12GB RAM. You can also go for McLaren edition that comes with 256GB and 12GB RAM. So if you are looking for a mid-range phone, you can buy this. It's only 38,000. Thank you for seeing Tech Pro. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel.